Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to see your caller ID and how to deactivate it from private number. Okay, what that means is that sometimes your number might be set in hidden. So when people call you, when you call people, people will be seeing your number as private number, and sometimes it can be very disturbing. Okay, and you don't want people to see you as annoying when you have your number set on private number. So today I'm going to show you how to see it where it is on your phone and how to deactivate it so that people can see you as a number that is legit, and they can pick your calls. Because sometimes if your phone number is on private number, people can see it as an annoying thing, okay, and they may not pick your calls. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Before I show you that, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Awajima Isyoto, and on this channel I show you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so welcome to my channel. Kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. You are doing that so that when I put out another video, you will be notified. All right, I believe you've done that. Please do it for me right now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so quickly, to see your phone ID, your caller ID, what you need to do is to go to your settings options. Okay, you go to your settings option on your phone. Right now you're going to locate your settings. Come to settings here. Okay, come to settings, and then you come to okay, better still, you can still do it this way. Let's go out from here. You come here, come to your call logs. Okay, you come to your call log, just tap your call log once. Okay, when you tap it once, you can see these are your contacts. You can see these are your contacts. So what you do now, you come to these three dots on the top. Okay, these three dots that you see here, these three dots, you're going to click on it. All right, so once you click on it, see this place, you can see settings, right? You click on settings, click on settings once. All right, and wait for it. Once you click on settings, you're going to come to supplementary services. Are you seeing that? Supplementary services. You click on supplementary services. All right, now you are on supplementary services. Now you can see on the top is showing you show my caller ID. It's showing show my caller ID. So what you need to do is to click on that. You click on it once, and once you click on it once, you can see mine is on network default. That means it's normal. Mine is on normal. So you can now here, if you want to hide the number, which is what I strongly do not recommend. Okay, I do not recommend that you hide your number. Now you can hide if you want. That's your own risk. Okay, but I do not recommend you do that. So let's say your number is on hidden. Okay, maybe people have been telling you that your number is on private number. What you need to do now is to click on show number. All right, you click on show number, or you leave it at network default. So the best thing you do when it is hidden, if it is hidden, you need to click on show number. So once you click on show number, you can now call somebody. Okay, you can now call your friend and then ask them to check if your number has been is no more showing the private number. Or if you have another second phone, you can dial that second phone just to be sure that it has been reset. Okay, so this is how you can see your caller ID or remove it from your hidden settings. Okay, I believe that you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching this video to this point. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video and make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out another video, you will always be notified. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.